Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Shilpa Data Insights.
In this video, we are going to see how to install the PyCharm in the Mac operating system. If you want to install the PyCharm, first of all, you need to install the Python in your Mac. If you have not installed the Python in your Mac, then I would recommend you to see my previous video. I pinned that in the I button. Go ahead and watch that and install the Python first of all in your Mac operating system. Then you can come and just type the install PyCharm for Mac. The first link that you will get here is the jetbrains.com. From this JetBrains, you can install the PyCharm. So let's go ahead and click on it. So here, if you will see, it says get PyCharm and I have the Mac operating system. So I'll click on the get PyCharm. So once you are in this website, you will first see the PyCharm Professional. In this PyCharm Professional IDE for data science, this is the Professional, which is a paid version. So you will see the free 30-day trial. I don't want that. I want the community edition, which is free, right? So there are two types. Basically, one is the Apple Silicon, another is the Intel. I'm using the M1 chip. So if you are using M1 or M2 chip for Apple, then select the Apple Silicon. Otherwise, select your Intel. Now, this is a free build, so you can go ahead and download this software. Once you download this software, you need to install it. So let this download. This will take some time. Once this download is complete, then we will start the installation. Okay, so my download is complete now. I will go ahead and install this. This is my DMG file. So I will open this up. So if you will see, there's a PyCharm CEE. It says drag it to the application. I will drag this to application. Either you can drag it like this or just press your command and move it. Once it shows you the plus symbol, you just move it to your applications. Okay. Once it is copied to your application, the application will open up and you will see the PyCharm CE. Or you can go to your Launchpad and you will also see your PyCharm CE. Or you just click on this finder and right click on this and you go to your application. So what you need to do is you need to double click this PyCharm CE, and once it opens up, then you will be able to install and start using it. It says wants to is an app. So do you want to continue? I will say yes. I will confirm some licensing agreements. I don't want to share any data. So here we have our PyCharm. So I'll start my new project. So in my new project, I will name this as YouTube. In this project, I have it in my PyCharm projects. I will use my Python 3.12 itself, which is in my detected system, right? And then I will be using the virtual environment itself. If you want, you can use your custom environment or you can use your base conda. Right now I'm using just my virtual environment. So I will do a create option here. So in this create, the virtual environment is created. In that we have the bin, we have those libraries, that is my Python 3.12 and some side packages. As soon as you install a Python, pip is also installed, right? So if you will see, the pip is already installed here and you will get the pip version. Now, if in case, let's say you want to go ahead and write your Python script, how you can go ahead and write your first Python script? You can go and you can just right click on it, click on your new, you want to create a Python file, let's say. You have different types of file you can create, your Jupyter notebook also, the JavaScript and all. But we are concentrating on Python file. You can also import a Python package here. We will see that also. So in the Python file, let's say I will name it as my first file. Okay. Now this Python file is created. Now I will go ahead and use a simple statement called print hello world. Now I will see if in case it executes this particular print statement or not. There's a run command here on the right top side. If you will see, you can run this or you can right click on it and run your my first file. There are two ways here you can do it. So I'll just click on this run. Now this has run and it has shown me the output as hello world. If you can see in this hello world, it has says that the process finished with exit code 0, means it has executed successfully. Now let's say I want to go ahead and print this particular statement, print 2 plus 3. Let's see whether it gives me the output or not. So I will go ahead and rerun this. See, it has printed me hello world and then it has printed me 5. So it means my PyCharm is working absolutely fine with my print statements here. So this is how you can install your PyCharm and you can install your Python and start using your first file. If you want to install the packages, you can also install your packages basically from your settings option. So we will come up with a new video in which I will show you how to install your packages. So stay tuned for that. If you have learned how to install the PyCharm and Python, then hit the like button, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel.
Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you have a good day.